Hello gurus and welcome to Saint-Tropez. I'm here having breakfast. We just arrived in beautiful Saint-Tropez, French coastal town. Look at this. And I just like saying welcome to Saint-Tropez. Got this old building, Chanel building down there. Beautiful little town. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you what I think is going to happen. Hit the subscribe button, join 75,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. Don't forget, every time you comment down below, you're going to go in the chance to win $1,000, $200 each. 5 people are going to be chosen every single month from all the videos. So make sure on every video commenting down below. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now in Saint-Tropez. I've just been hearing this song and Saint-Tropez all the time. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to technicals. The market had a big pullback last night, unfortunately. Stock markets and altcoins getting hit pretty hard. But FXS up 18%. I'm not sure the news. Uber up 2%. Most of the rest of the market down. If we go down, Luna down 9%. Luna taking big hit the last few days. DeFi down 2% overall. Bit down 2.4%. Bitcoin down 2%. Let's jump into Bitcoin. On the 4-hourly, Bitcoin having a retracement exactly off that that symmetrical triangle that I drew yesterday. So you're watching Bitcoin move over time. You can learn all this in the crypto master course, and you learn technical. It's in an ascending wedge at the moment, ascending trend line, but Bitcoin is still mainly within this main trend line that I've been talking about for the last few months, between 28,500, 28,600, sorry, and 30,600. Been just trending sideways. Then we broke up on this ascending triangle, channel, and now in a symmetrical triangle. So this is the symmetrical triangle Bitcoin is in right now, and it respected it perfectly yesterday. Look at that. It got rejected perfectly off that symmetrical triangle. So these work by building pressure like this. So this is a symmetrical triangle. They build pressure and they usually explode at 70% of the movement. So we would expect a big movement from Bitcoin on around the 11th of June. My prediction is we break to the upside from this symmetrical triangle. I'd love to know what you think, but mostly to the upside. The base of the base of the triangle should be the movement. So we could have a huge movement to Bitcoin to 35,000, and it lines up right there. So I do expect Bitcoin to start moving up from here. We're on a major support area where in the EMA ribbons, we're above them. We keep spiking around a lot of volume coming into Bitcoin in the last few days. Stochastic is oversold, turning to head up. RSI is heading up, and Squeeze Mob is going towards the red side. But the coiling, RSI looks like it's coiling to be a big move. On the daily, Stochastic is overbought, turning to head down. RSI is over midway heading down. Squeeze Mob is going to the green side, but I do expect that we break to the upside here of this symmetrical triangle. But until then, we're going to be just bouncing around 31,000, 29,600, and then making a big movement up to the upside. Crypto Guru Bot is still showing a sell. It hasn't flipped to a buy. Bitcoin Indicator Bot did fire a buy, which is beautiful. Let's go closer on the hourly charts. Stochastic is oversold. RSI is heading down. Squeeze Mob is going towards the red side. This is also forming a big M pattern, but I would actually be going long on Bitcoin here. I'm going to show you where I would open a long on Bitcoin. I had that trade set yesterday, but I'd actually move it to here. So now I'm going to show you where I would trade and how I would trade. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, you can sign up down below in the description in the pinned comment. Under the video, hit the thumbs up button. Let's get thousands of likes on this video. Hit the subscribe button. Click the join button to see my live trades in stocks and cryptos. And if you trade using this link in the description, ByBit link down below, you get a $4,600 bonus when you use that ByBit link. And you also go into my trading team. So now we've registered. Dear trader, congrats, you're a squad leader. We're stoked to inform you that your squad leader application was successful. So now I'm a ByBit WSOT squad leader, meaning we go in the chance to win an $8 million prize pool. So make sure you use that ByBit link down below, sign up to ByBit, and then you join my WSOT. So I would actually be opening along here. Over on ByBit, I've got $187,448. This account took quite a big hit yesterday, the last few days. A week ago it was 220,000, so now 187,000. So it's around a $33,000 drop on Bitcoin on this trading account. It's still up overall, but quite a big hit. I'm holding BUSD, but I've been stacking BIT down here. So even though it's pulled back quite a lot, I have a lot more tokens. So I've been buying a lot of BIT. $49,000 worth of Bit, but 89,000 tokens. I've got 1.5 Bitcoin, up 2.5%. I've got CRV, which I've been also buying a lot, about break even. And Luna is the one that took the biggest hit. I bought Luna at this price, at around $4. Then it went up to $10. It went tripled. Now it's sitting at around $3.40. So big hit to Luna recently. I've got USDT and I've got no Bitcoin trades open. I've got order set for Bitcoin at 28,500, and I would keep that order because I do believe Bitcoin could just spike down randomly and activate the trade. This is the trade that I set. But I would actually make the take profit all the way up here at the 35,000 on this build up of symmetrical triangle pressure. So it's a great trade actually to be taking. Opening the trade 28,599, stop loss at 27,800, take profit at 35,000. So I'm risking $782 to make $6,500. So an amazing risk to reward, 8.39 risk to reward. 10x leverage would be $65,000 of profits. 100x leverage, $650,000 of profits. So again, on no leverage, it's risking $782 to make $6,500. So an epic potential trade. And that's the trade I have set here for 0.17 Bitcoin. It's around a $5,000 trade. I'm going to set the take profit to the top of that target though, which will be 35,000. And then I'm going to add more to this trade, 35,000. So I'm risking $147 to make 1,100, and I'm going to add more to this trade at 28,550. So I'm going to make this a bigger trade. 28,550. I'm going to add another $1,000 to this trade at 28,550. So that'll be a $10,000 trade in total. Both of those orders are set, which is beautiful. That's my trades over on Bitcoin there, and on Binance in this account I have around $334,000. I've got BUSD 131,000, USDT 71,000, so around $200,000 in USD. And I've got a lot of BNB. I bought $69,000 worth of BNB now. Big bounce back from that drop yesterday on the announcement that the SEC is coming after them. And I've got 2 Bitcoin in here worth 60,000. Those are my trades. That's what I'm thinking is happening in the market, which is beautiful. Also, don't forget, if you comment down below, there's also a competition now. Win 75,000 of MCRT, Magicraft NST Genesis Collection. It's over on Twitter, so make sure you go onto Twitter. Watch every video and promote you to all my friends because I love everything you do for the community. Keep it up. Thank you, Refno. Let's see what other comments we got. Following you is the best thing I recently did. Thank you so much, Zane. This is the ascending channel that I was talking about. And this is the ByBit competition. Again, if you sign up, you join the WSOT team, there's 8 million USD prize pool to be won. So make sure you join my trading team. This was a funny meme. The government, while you're holding Bitcoin, Bitcoin is a joke. The government, after you sell some Bitcoin, Bitcoin is a taxable asset. And this is one of the winners of 200 USD. Shortcuts, you're good and deserve the best comments. Thank you and congratulations on winning 200 USD. So from whoever comments down below, we're going to choose 5 winners every month for $200 US. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru in Saint-Tropez. Welcome to Saint-Tropez, and I'm going to see you all again tomorrow.